Cause I've been living rough, time's tough, I took another rip. I'm about to blow my lid, say fuck it to the biz. I've been on one, busy meditating in the crypt, realigning my chakras and sewing up my wrist. My head up in another place, zero ground control. Major Tom had shot himself in a fit of rage, he lost control. It was only to be expected. Mental illness clicks and some it fucking goes neglected. This depression got me building walls, like fuck a bully pussy when I'm stomping on the balls. Too many peeps neglecting me, they love to see me fall, but in my face and next to me they act like they're my all. Like I can flick a wrist, I wanna cop $1 billion and turn philanthropist. I wanna cop $1 billion and turn philanthropist. Not a goddamn thing got me about depression, so keep the fucking head up, here's my words of confession. Keep the ones that dear to you close with proper lessons, cause if you're never true to you, it's time to get stepping. I've been building up my cannons, leaving not a crumb, not a single piece of fraction, and done what is done. Few have tried to test me, opposition at its best. Blueprint laid out over these mag-like desks. Feel the bass in the booming system, killing your flow, killing your show, sorry you missed them. Excuse me mister, can I borrow a light so I can spit a couple more bars, convince you I was tight like
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I bomb anonymously, higher power philosophies is how I'm dropping these Illmatic fucking properties. 80s is fuck, like some BMX bandits screaming I've got culture on another fresh tangent. I'm out my goddamn mind shying, calling you the bluff. Couple slapping fucking bracelets when I'm popping the cuff. I'm my jean jacket habit, and why the Bilbo bag and smoke a fucking pipe, yo, we had a bad habit. Digital fucking lies in the skies like you never knew. Head full of acid, butt naked down the avenue. And I could give a shit if I had 3 fans. Now sifting through my good goddams. Digital fucking lies in the skies like you never knew. Head full of acid, butt naked